Hello, Cent Warriors. Today, over 38.89% of Kenyans are jobless, and only 17% work in the formal sector. But interestingly, we live in a digital age where there are more opportunities. That is work-from-home online jobs in Kenya for everyone, and we just have to find what we can do and do it. These 10 work-from-home jobs offer opportunities for full-time employment or side hustles in Kenya. Most of them allow you to earn in dollars, which is a considerable advantage, and you can work with clients from all over the world. Others allow you to get paid conveniently via M-Pesa or PayPal, and some only require a phone. We shall explore them and much more. Before we continue, Cent Warriors, please support us in our goal for the next few months to reach 50,000 subscribers. We want our tribe to keep growing. Please help us by subscribing and hiking the video, since this helps YouTube recommend our content more. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, be sure to check out the description below this video for more details on the best work-from-home online job opportunities in Kenya and other exciting resources. Please stay tuned, because this is where the video gets exciting. Let's dive in. Can I work remotely from Kenya? This is a common question asked by people looking for employment, especially students and graduates. According to research, more than 1.2 million Kenyans work remotely, earning an average of 20,173 Kenya shillings monthly. The largest population of remote workers, according to the report, are digital marketers, whom web article writers and academic writers follow. Interestingly, 31% of these remote workers claim to switch to working online because of the lack of opportunities in the Kenyan formal job sector. So yes, you can work remotely from Kenya and earn a decent living. What are the advantages of work-from-home online jobs? Working from home comes with several advantages, which include 1. Work flexibility. Remote work offers you absolute control of your work schedule and choice of location. You can work from anywhere, and you often choose when to work. 2. Save on costs. Remote work saves you commuting expenses, and you don't have to worry about buying lunch or coffee. You also don't have to worry about buying formal work clothes, as you can even work in your pajamas. 3. Decent earnings. With most online jobs paying an average of $10, you can easily make at least 200 shillings per day if you commit an hour. That means you'll have over 3,000 shillings if you do 3 hours, which is decent. 4. Passive income. Some online jobs, such as blogging and YouTube, don't pay hourly. Instead, they allow you to earn passive income. You continue earning even when not working, as long as your audience buys what you recommend. 5. Unlimited workload. In most cases, your earnings are proportional to your work. The more hours you work, the more the pay, as the work never runs out, especially if you are skilled. What are the requirements for work-from-home online jobs? Online work doesn't require a lot. You'll need the following items. 1. Computer and laptop, ergonomic chair, work desk, table, and noise cancellation headphones, which is optional. 2. Preferably a home office. 3. Computer knowledge, decent typing skills, good communication skills, and excellent research skills. 4. Fast internet 3 Mbps and above. 5. M-Pesa, PayPal, and bank. Are there any legit work-from-home online jobs in Kenya? While we do have scammers in the online job sector in Kenya, some job sites and employers are legitimate. Here are 13 of the most legit work-from-home jobs in Kenya. 1. Online writing. If you are a good researcher and creative writer, you can work as a freelance writer and earn $10 to $45 an hour or per project. Overall, there are many types of online writing jobs in Kenya, but the most common include 1. Content writing, which entails writing of web articles. 2. Academic writing, which involves writing of school-related articles. 3. Copywriting, which refers to writing of sales copies. 4. Blogging or writing blog posts. Some of the best platforms to find online writing jobs are Upwork, Brighter Monday, peopleperhour.com, and ProBlogger. 2. Online transcription. Many clients need help converting audio files into text, and they turn to transcriptionists. As an online transcriptionist, your work involves listening to interviews, recorded conversations, sermons, lectures, interrogations, and other audio information, and converting it into text. Hence, you should have an extra keen ear. In addition, your typing and proofreading skills should be top-notch. You can find online transcription jobs on Upwork, TranscribeMe, Scribey, and Verbit, and you can make $10 to $20 per hour. 3. Data entry. Data entry jobs include entering data into spreadsheets, filling out forms, image processing, and an array of typing work. Hence, good typing skills and computer knowledge are critical. Data entry can earn you $8 to $15 an hour on sites like Upwork, peopleperhour.com, and Brighter Monday. 4. Online research. Suppose you are good with online research or are perhaps a student or professional. In that case, you can do online research jobs as a side hustle. A platform like Respondent allows you to pocket $10 to $100 per hour or research project. 5. Online tutoring. As an online tutor, you can earn $10 to $20 an hour. Platforms like Preply or Upwork allow you to work from home, even without experience. You can sign up as an academic, ESL English tutor, or music instructor. 6. Online proofreading. Even though there are numerous proofreading tools, they can't replace humans. Therefore, many clients prefer hiring human proofreaders to proofread articles, books, magazines, blog posts, and other projects. You can find these jobs on Upwork, Brighter Monday, or peopleperhour.com and make $10 to $20 an hour. 7. Remote customer support. So many companies are hiring remote customer support agents to handle customer complaints, inquiries, concerns, and other issues. So you can work remotely if you have good customer handling skills or experience. These jobs pay $10 to $20 an hour, and they can be found on Brighter Monday, Indeed, LinkedIn Jobs, and Upwork. 8. Virtual assistant jobs. Most entrepreneurs prefer to hire people who can handle administrative tasks and offer customer support services from a remote location. These individuals are known as virtual assistants, and if that's something you can do, platforms like peopleperhour.com, Fiverr, and Upwork allow you to make $10 to $40 an hour. 9. YouTubing. If you can create entertaining, educative, informative, or just hilarious content, consider posting the videos on YouTube. It's free, and you can make money once the traffic starts to flow and you have enough views. Ordinarily, YouTube pays 100 to 200 Kenya shillings per 1,000 views, and the more views you get, the more money you pocket. 10. Online photography. Lastly, if you have an eye for photography, you can do it for cash by uploading the images on stock image sites. Sites like Getty Images, Shutterstock, and Alamy pay 15 to 50% commission from photo sales. Remember, it's all passive income. Now, if you have no experience, you're perhaps wondering what the best opportunity is for you. Most online work-from-home jobs don't require experience, making them suitable for students and stay-at-home parents. Here are 8 of the best work-from-home jobs, no experience. 1. Freelance writing. 2. Online proofreading. 3. Data entry. 4. Online transcription. 5. YouTube content creation. 6. Blogging. 7. Affiliate marketing. 8. Stock image sale. Which online jobs in Kenya pay 10,000 Kenya shillings per day? While not many online jobs pay up to 10,000 shillings a day, a few exceptions exist. Some of the best online jobs in Kenya that pay 10,000 shillings per day include YouTube, Airbnb hosting, crafts selling, stock trading, ebook selling, online influencer gigs, second-hand item sales, and affiliate marketing. However, you must be ready to put in the hard work to enjoy such a return in all these ventures. What are the best work-from-home sites in Kenya? Sadly, while there are numerous job sites for working from home, not all are legit. Here are some of the best and most legit work-from-home job sites. 1. Local job boards such as Brighter Monday, My Jobs in Kenya, My Job Mag, and Career Point Kenya. 2. International job boards such as Indeed, LinkedIn, Glassdoor, flexjobs.com, and simplyhired.com. 3. Online freelancing sites such as Upwork, Fiverr, ppperhour.com, and Guru. Are there online jobs in Kenya using smartphone? Yes, there are online jobs in Kenya that you can do with a smartphone, and they include online surveys, drop shipping, social media marketing, Airbnb hosting, YouTube content creation, and stock photography. You can also do ride sharing or food delivery with Uber or Bolt. Now click the link in the description below to check out lucrative work-from-home online jobs you can start today. See you in the next video.